Hi guys, so this is my haul, so I hope you like it. So this book is from eBay. It's a very small book, but it shows you how to do 1940s hairstyles, where to put your rollers and how to roll your hair. So I thought that was really good, so I got that. So then packages, I've got two. Ooh. So this is, thank you very much for buying off my wardrobe. Any issues, touch, let us know. So this is a 1940s top, blouse. At least I think it's 1940s. It's 1940s or 1950s. It is green. It's got these like little colored buttons on it, and it's got poppers. So, you know, poppers. So I can't wait to wear that and wash that. I thought it'd be too tight on me, but it looks actually quite big and comfortable. So, and it's very soft. So I'm looking forward to wearing that. So I got also today friend's cooking book. So I didn't know they had a cooking book, but to be fair, you can get a cooking book for everything. I can't wait to have called midwife cooking book, which I didn't know was a thing. So Thanksgiving, and tells you all these foods like birthday flan. So it's good. And with the friends frame, I got myself the box set for £3. For £3 I got the box set. So I'm very happy with that. Oh, do you like my hair? I'll show you an outfit reveal. So this book I got, I'm super excited. I found it on eBay. Once again, not the best idea to go at it with a knife, but here we are. It's one of those things I saw and I had to have it. Oh, sorry, I've got such a loud noise for some reason. So this is from the 50s, I think. It's all like papered on the side. So it's called Glory Yourself. The new fantastic guide to charm and beauty. So let's see. So you open it up, you get this. Let's see. Oh, there's even like a little test you can take. So how to clean your skin, how to wear makeup, how to sit properly. What else is it? So how to wear flattering clothes, do's and don'ts. How to dance. How to do your hair, how to curl it, different hairstyles. What else is there? how to exercise, the different exercise. How to do your nails. There's loads of little things in here. Hey baby. Sorry, my cat's there. See the top of her head. Once again, how to do exercises. What you should eat. What's your body type. Do's and don'ts. What every woman should know from memory. If you are too fat, too well afford, if you are just right. What perfume you should wear. That's an interesting one. Beauty hints, tips. And yeah, so this I'm looking forward to reading properly. So yeah, that's my little haul. Hope you liked it. Oh, and then I got clips, but they're like all little girls clips. But I thought, you know, just pick one, you know, side of my head that would look really cute, you know, your hair down, just a little clip in it. And then they have to go with the rest of my hair clips and stuff. If you haven't seen it, check it out, and thank you for watching.
Monica, you know that's not how you look for an engagement ring in lasagna.
I just can't do it.
Boys, we're going in.